All right, eventually you're going to break a seat latch. That's what we do. Because we're grabbing the seat latch, pulling from the seat from back here. We should do it in two hands. One hand down here pulling the latch, the other hand up here pulling on the seat to pull it up out of the way. So once you break one, you'll learn that. You'll do it the hard way until you do. But they say you can get down here with like a 10mm wrench and get these two little nuts off. Well, you probably can, but I didn't feel like trying to fight that little 8 turns at a time on there for it. So Derek Sanderson, Andy Fineri helped me get mine off. Down here in the bottom there is a hole that accesses that stud. You know, got your skid plate, there's your hole, and right up in there is that stud, and that you can see it. 15mm socket, an impact, and I can't tell, and it's still on there, but once you get it loose, you can get your hand up in there. I didn't even get it loose. Try that again. There's your nut. And with the nut being off, the seat will come out. Seat track and all intact. And then you can make your repair, as I have already shown you, on that broken latch. But that's the repaired latch that I have already done. So that's how you get that out, easy and smooth. Hope this helps at least one of you.